Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to improve your battery life on REALME GT8 Pro. So first, go into the settings on your phone, scroll to battery. Here you can enable the power saving mode or super power saving mode, but I'll keep the balanced mode right now because the power saving mode enables some features that I want to show you how to enable manually. Then go back and into the display and brightness, enable dark mode, lower the brightness or enable auto brightness, and auto screen off, shorten this time to around 1 minute. Then go into home screen, lock screen, then scroll down and always on display, disable it. Open the quick settings and disable everything that you're not currently using, so like a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile data and location. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.